Used to be big cuts required big saws, not anymore. Meet the Rockwell Compact Circular Saw. So compact, you can use it anywhere. So powerful, it delivers all the bite of the big boys, but weighs half as much for better comfort and control. Perfect for tight spots, even a vac port for mess-free projects. The new Rockwell Compact Circular Saw. It's the smallest big saw you'll ever use. Get yours today.
This is Hitachi's 18-volt lithium-ion impact driver, model WH18DGL. It's powered by a lithium-ion battery that delivers fade-free power, is lightweight, and has 3 times the total battery life of a traditional battery. It produces up to 1,280 inch-pounds of torque and is designed to drive screws and bolts even in tight spaces. For fast and easy bit changes, this impact driver is equipped with a 1/4-inch quick change. This tool will operate up to 2,400 RPM and up to 3,200 beats per minute for optimal driving and fastening capabilities. A responsive, variable speed trigger provides complete control during operation. For convenience, a bright LED light is incorporated for visibility in dark or enclosed workspaces. On-tool bit storage keeps a bit close at hand if and when you need it. It features a soft, ergonomically designed handle due to the slide battery design that offers optimal grip circumference for more comfortable use. Lightweight at just 3.1 pounds and well balanced, this cordless impact driver from Hitachi is easy to use and won't disappoint. It comes with Hitachi's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty, 2-year lithium-ion battery warranty, and 1-year lithium-ion charger warranty. Additionally, you get 2 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and carrying case for storage.
Welcome to WORX on Amazon.
The WORX Pegasus is a versatile work table that can be used as a portable sawhorse or workbench. The Pegasus holds a variety of materials and can support up to 1,000 pounds. It has a storage shelf for tools and supplies when doing projects and comes with 2 quick clamps and 4 clamping dogs to securely hold all of your materials. Whether you're cutting, sanding, painting, staining, or building, the Pegasus is a must-have work table. You can also easily attach a power strip to power through all of your projects. If more workspace is needed, you can expand your work table by linking multiple Pegasus tables together. Its compact design is perfect for easy transport and storage. The WORX Pegasus is a must-have portable work table whether you're a professional contractor or a DIYer. Get yours today.
Thanks for checking out the PS60BN. This is the tool itself. It's the PS60 12-volt max pocket recip saw. Now this tool comes with the PS60 as well as an LL box inlay and 2 blades, a wood cutting blade and a metal cutting blade. Now this BN means it's a tool only execution, so you can pick out whichever batteries and whichever charges you want separately and design your own kit. Take the whole thing with another tool, place an LL box inlay, sold separately, and you have a chance to build whatever kit you want. Now, the PS60 itself has 3,000 strokes per minute. It's a mini recip saw. We call it the pocket recip because it fits right in your hand nice and small. You have a good leverage point for control on the top of it if necessary. Quick change on the blade as well as a battery indicator so you always know the status of the battery life. The tool itself stores right in your LL box inlay, which fits right in your LL box 1. And pick up your LL box that's sold separately with the bare tool execution, but close the lid, click, and go. If you want to learn more about the entire click and go system as well as all the L boxes, stay tuned.
Introducing the new Bosch Click and Go storage system, the intelligent and flexible storage and transport solution.
Getting out of my truck, I'm not pulling a little from here, a little there. I just grab the box and go.
Handle everything from the workshop to the job site and back again.
One little toolbox, what does that hold? You've got all this right here.
Flexibility, efficiency, and quick access to the right tool for the job.
You're not hunting around on the ground looking for everything. You know, it's all organized. We're right here.
Now more than ever, pros know time is money.
Click and Go system is all about efficiency. You got material everywhere. You're going to be rebuying stuff.
It takes our productivity through the roof, actually.
L boxes feature single-click stacking.
It's nothing more than just basically stacking it right on top of each other.
Click it, and let's go.
Easily lock and unlock cases together for maximum portability.
So if I want to depart and just bring my screws and my screw gun because I'm walking upstairs, I can limit instead of having to carry this jumbo stack of my toolbox.
Build your own system.
All these great, where you can store whatever you want.
The inserts are great.
Mix, match, and adapt to your needs with optional drawers, organizers, and tool storage inserts.
I'm not going to open up and everything's been folded like a deck of cards.
Plus added mobility with the L-Dolly.
On a rolling cart, roll it with me. I'm not breaking my back.
4 compatible sizes of L-boxes. Simply choose the size that fits your storage needs.
I'm thoroughly prepared for about anything that comes my way.
Durable, mobile, dependable. The storage solution that'll help you work smarter than ever before.
Accessibility, just everything that it does is just, it's outstanding.
Save time and money with the new Bosch Click and Go system. The intelligent transport and storage solution.
To be honest with you, I love them.
It follows me wherever I go. So happy with this thing. It's awesome. And besides, it looks good too, by the way.
Bosch. Invented for life.